Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp on a pan, an easy guide for a delicious meal. First, let's talk about preparation. You'll want to select either fresh or frozen shrimp, ideally already peeled and deveined to save you time. If using frozen, ensure they are completely thawed under cold, running water. A crucial step is to pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful sear. Now, let's get those shrimp perfectly seasoned. In a bowl, toss your prepared shrimp with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or melted butter. Next, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Feel free to add other spices like garlic powder, paprika, or a pre-made seafood seasoning blend to enhance the taste. Mix everything well to ensure each shrimp is coated evenly. It's time to cook. Place a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add the seasoned shrimp to the pan in a single layer. It's important not to overcrowd the pan, so cook in batches if necessary. Sear them for just 1 to 2 minutes per side. You'll know they're done when they turn a beautiful pink color and become opaque throughout. Once your shrimp are perfectly cooked, remove them from the pan immediately. Overcooking can make them tough, so timing is key for tender results. For a fresh finish, you can garnish them with some vibrant, fresh chopped parsley or a squeeze of bright lemon juice. These pan-seared shrimp are fantastic served hot, either as a delightful appetizer or as a quick and satisfying main course. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.